Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So, we received an inquiry here on our channel. This has to do with somebody who was arrested at a DUI checkpoint. DUI attorney, Fremont. DUI lawyer, Fremont. Accused of DUI, Fremont. Criminal attorney, Fremont. Let's see. I was arrested over the weekend during a DUI checkpoint. I wanted to get out of the street before I got to the checkpoint, but I was followed by a motorcyclist, a police officer, and I was arrested for driving drunk. Okay, well, first of all, when it comes to DUI checkpoints, the DUI checkpoint or location thereof has to be published sufficiently in advance so that you have a clear way to escape it. DUI checkpoints are not mandatory. They are not mandatory. DUI checkpoints are optional, and those checkpoints have to be advertised. There have to be signs, and you have to have a clear way to get out. Now, that being said, if you make an illegal U-turn or any kind of sudden movement in your vehicle that would give the police grounds to stop you, either because of suspicious driving or anything of that nature, then at that point you would have a problem. Just because there is a DUI checkpoint and you have the right to avoid the DUI checkpoint, that does not give you the right to break the law to avoid the DUI checkpoint. If you do, the police will have probable cause to make the stoppage, and if they make the stoppage, they smell the alcohol, see the slurred speech or hear the slurred speech, and see bloodshot eyes, well, then they're going to start asking those field sobriety questions. Now, if they did not publish the DUI checkpoint, and there was no way in the world that you could have possibly gotten out of the DUI checkpoint in time, well then, we can file a motion to suppress under Penal Code Section 1538.5, where you'll essentially have a probable cause hearing, and if the police cannot show that this was adequately published in advance, the location of the checkpoint was published in advance, and if they can't show that you had a clear way of escape, well then any evidence that they obtained as a consequence of the illegal stoppage would be suppressed, and therefore the DUI case should be dismissed. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation in court, give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who failed to appear in court. DUI attorney, Fremont. DUI lawyer, Fremont. Accused of DUI, Fremont. Criminal attorney, Fremont.